Hey YouTubers, it's Clara here, and today on Clara Marie Vlogs, I am going to be sharing with you 3 different treats from 3 different South American countries. The first one is Bolivia. And as you can see here, I've been snacking on this Pasankalla, which is like Bolivian popcorn, in other words. Looks like packing peanuts, but it's not. It's a sweet popcorn. And it tastes really good too. I've been addicted to this since I was little because I am part Bolivian. So I'll be sure to link down in the description box below of how you can get this too. And the next treat is a DIY treat, which is Brazilian Fruit Kabobs, inspired by Disney Channel's Pass the Plate, representing Brazil. And the third is a Venezuelan Tisana Mocktail, which is very cool. It's minus alcohol. You could add dry white wine instead of the white sparkling grape juice like I added in the video. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed today's video and let's get into it. So what you're gonna need is red grapes, green grapes, star fruit, which has a sweet and sour taste to it, spoiler alert, kiwi, strawberries, papaya, mango, pears, apples, bananas, and oranges. So you can put this in any randomized order you want. I did it this way, but feel free to mix it up. So what you're going to do is take one fruit and another green grape, a nice star fruit. Oopsie. Watch your fingers. That's another pointer. Definitely watch your fingers. Kiwi. Strawberry. And papaya. Mango. Oh! One thing you want to do, note to self. Slide these down as you're going. Little blooper. A pear. Apple, and these are Gala apples, by the way. You can use whatever apple you want. And an orange. And there you have it. Brazilian fruit salad on a stick, or in this case, Brazilian fruit kebab. And now for our mocktail. You're gonna need 4 cups of passion fruit juice and a 1/3 cup of sugar, a bottle whole of white sparkling grape juice, a cup of club soda, and this is optional for you to put in your pitcher. You don't have to, like I did. You can put star fruit in there, lemon slices, and orange slices. Gives it a nice little pretty look for garnish. So, let's get into it. You're gonna add your sugar, whole bottle of sparkling white grape juice, cup of club soda, stir it all together. And this you can find in this passion fruit mocktail you can find in your international aisle of your grocery store where the Goya products are. Now, let's give it a taste. Very good.